Hello students, today we will start chapter number 2 of class 8, which is linear equation in one variable. Okay, so we will understand the first term, second term and third term along with the equation. Okay, like what is the meaning of linear, what is the meaning of variable, and one, you all know one means one. Okay, so linear means any equation which is having highest power equal to 1. Here you can see variable, this is called variable, the quantity which is unknown, that is a variable. Now this is equality sign and the number which is written is called constant. So when we have to form any equation, we need three things. We need equality sign, variable, constant along with the arithmetic operation, that is plus, minus, divide or multiply. Okay. Here I have written, you can see, variable means non-fixed values. That can be anything like x, y, z. X could be 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And what about constant value? The values which are fixed, that are called constant value, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And here one more thing we have to take care about, that there are two terms. There are always two terms in any equation. This term, left hand side term, is called LHS and the right hand side term is called RHS. Okay, so that has to be equal to each other. On that condition only we will get an equation. Like see, if I put or place 2 in place of x in LHS side. Okay, so 4 in place of x I place 2. 4 2s are 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 gives us 5. So if I place correct value which is 2, okay, then we will get LHS equal to RHS. Okay. So here you can see in this equation x is having no power, so we can take 1 as a power. So this is called linear. Okay, linear means the variable which is having highest power equal to 1. And one variable means there has to be only one variable in any equation. We cannot write 2x plus 3y. This is not a linear equation with one variable, because here you can see there are two variables, x as well as y. So linear equation in one variable means there has to be only one variable whose power is how much? Whose power, highest power is 1, and there has to be one constant term like that 5, and equality sign is also required for any equation. Okay. Now here are some methods of solving linear equation. So by adding same constant on both sides, we will get the solution of the given linear equation. See here, in this linear equation, what is the arithmetic sign given here? Arithmetic operational sign is given negative. Okay, here is x minus 3 equals to 7. Okay. So what you have to see? You have to see the sign which is given along with the linear equation. And you have to pick the constant which is written on the variable side. Here you can see there are two constants. One is 7, another is 3. Okay. So which constant is written on the variable side? Constant 3 is written on the variable side, because there are two sides. This is called LHS and this is called RHS. So, if negative sign is given along with the constant which is written on the variable sign, then what you have to do? You have to change the sign just opposite to negative. What is the negative of, what is the opposite of negative sign? Opposite of negative is positive and opposite of multiply is divide. Similarly, opposite of positive is negative and opposite of divide is multiply. Okay. So, we have to take opposite sign of negative. So what is the opposite sign of negative? Opposite sign of negative is addition. Okay, so what we have to do? The constant which is written on the variable side, the same constant we have to add both sides to get the solution of linear equation. So this constant is written on the variable side and along with the negative sign, so we have to add 3 on the both sides. So here I have added plus 3 and that side also I have added plus 3. Now plus 3 minus 3 cancel out and 7 plus 3 gives us 10. Okay. Now x is equals to 10. See here, if we place x is equals to 10. 10 minus 3 gives us how much? 10 minus 3 gives us 7. So hence it is verified that the value which we have obtained is correct for the given linear equation. Okay. Now similarly, by subtracting same constant on both sides. Now if the linear equation is along with the positive sign, then what you have to do? You have to apply negative sign for subtracting the same constant. Now see, again there are how many constants? There are two constants. Here is 2 and that side on RHS side there is 5. So which constant we have to pick? We have to pick that constant which is on the variable side. So what is the variable here? Variable means whose value is not fixed. So y is the value which is not fixed. So 2 is along with the variable side. So what we have to do? There is plus sign. So what we have to do? We have to subtract the same number from both sides. So here I have subtracted 2 and this side I have subtracted 2. Okay. So minus 2 plus 2. Here both the numbers cancel out and 5 minus 2 gives us 3. So what is the value of y? Value of y is 3. Here you can see if I place y is equals to 3, then 2 plus 3 gives us 5. It means the value which we have obtained for y is correct. Now see what is given in the third method by multiplying same constant both sides. So I have told you what is the opposite of divide. Opposite of divide is multiply. So here the linear equation is given in the form of division. So what we have to do? We have to take opposite sign of divide. What is the opposite sign of divide? That is multiplication. So again you have to see which constant is written on the variable side. So here you can see 3 is all alone and 6 is with the variable. So which constant is on the variable side? 6 is on the variable side. So the number or the constant which is in the divide with the variable, the same constant you have to multiply both sides, because what is the opposite of division? Opposite of division is multiplication. So 6 you have to multiply both the sides. Here I have multiplied 6 and here also I have multiplied 6. Now 6 both numerator and denominator get cancelled out and here 3 6 are 18. So how much we will get? We will get y is equals to 18. If I place here in place of y 18. So clearly you can see 18 divided by 6. So 6 3s are 18. Means the value which we have obtained is correct. Okay. Now the last option is by dividing same constant on the both sides. If the linear equation is given along with the multiplication sign. Here you can see variable and constant both are in multiplication. So what we have to do? We have to pick the opposite of multiplication, which is divide. Okay. So again you have to check which constant is written on the variable side. So constant 2 is written on the variable side because 10 is not having any variable along with that. Okay. So the constant which is multiplied with the variable, same constant you have to divide both sides. So what is the constant? Constant is 2. So 2 divided on LHS side also and 2 divided on RHS side also. Here numerator and denominator both are same. These got cancelled out. 2 and 2. Here what is remaining left? Y and 2 5s are 10. So what is the value of y? Value of y is 5. If we place 5 in place of y, 2 5s are how much? 10. It means the value which we have obtained for y is correct. So here you can see there are 4 ways for finding out the solution of any linear equation. So exercise 2.1 is all about finding out the solutions of linear equation. So all the 4 methods I have explained you that how to find out the solution of linear equation by adding, subtracting, by multiplying or by dividing the given constant along with the variable side. Okay. So see here, first question is x minus 2 is equals to 7. So first we have to check which variable is written on, which constant is written on the variable side. So constant 2 is written on the variable side. And what is the sign? Sign is negative. So if negative sign is there, we have to change the negative into positive because negative is just opposite to positive. So what we have to do? If negative is given, then we have to add. If positive is given, then we have to subtract. So here negative is given. So the same number which is along with the variable side. So adding to both sides. Here x minus 2 plus 2 and here 7 plus 2. Okay, so what we will get? Plus 2 minus 2 cancel out. What is remaining left? X. And here 7 plus 2 gives us 9. And when you place 9 here, 9 minus 2 also gives us 7. It means our solution is correct. Okay. Now, all the 6 questions are quite similar to question number 1. Because up to 6, you have to perform solution of linear equation by dividing, multiplying, subtracting or adding the given value constant. Okay. Question number 7 is quite different because here there are 2 constants. One is in multiplication, another is in division. Okay, so what we have to do? First, if there are 2 conditions given in same question, what we have to do? First, we have to multiply the given constant both sides. Okay, so what we have to do for multiplying? The constant which is given in divide, the same constant we have to multiply both sides. So which constant is given in divide? 3 is given in divide. So 3 we have to multiply both sides. So from here 3 cancel out, and here 18 3s are how much? 54. Now this is the simple form. 2x is equals to 54. Now these two are in multiplication. So if the numbers or the variables are in multiplication, we have to perform division operation, because opposite of multiply is divide. So what we have to divide? The same constant which is with the variable, same constant we have to divide both sides. So by dividing to both sides, what we will get? 2 and 2 cancel out, and 54 divided by 2, it will give us 27. And when we place 27 here, it will satisfy LHS as well as RHS. So this is how we have completed exercise 2.1. Thank you for watching this.